Hi, this is a Fender Acoustasonic 15 watts guitar amp for acoustic guitar. This amp is very portable and lightweight, but to my surprise it plays very loud. It has two inputs on the front panel, one for a microphone and a standard 1/4-inch jack for a guitar or other instrument. In addition, there is an equalizer, lows, mids, and highs control knob, and also a built-in chorus effect and headphone output. But I'm sure you're mainly interested in how it sounds, so let's play something. I record with a Sennheiser E845 dynamic microphone. What do you think? I think this little guitar amp sounds really nice. I didn't find anything that bothered me, so I recommend it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.